Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Pimpis, and today we have. I don't know actually what we have, but I'm here. What is what? What is in this scene? Where the fuck did my starting soon sign go? Oh. Yeah, we have called me now. Yep. Shit. Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Björn Beers, and today we are here once again. I am fucking tired. Literally, I am so fucking tired. But hey, we are going back to some DOS. I wanna kill myself. Holy shit. Okay, hello. Oh fuck. Hello. Literally me when I'm waking up. Fuck. But yeah, here we are once again in DOS. I've done a little bit. I have fixed some errors, found some more errors, found some more bugs, found some more, fixed some errors, found some more bugs and all that shit. Normal development stuff, I guess. And you can see this, maybe right now. I've forgotten to save. I'm fucking tired. I fucking made it before. Yeah, it was. That's brutal. Back on with the fucking advertisements. This thing is. Actually, can I place this somewhere else? Oh. Yes, I can throw it down here. If I really quickly scale a little bit down and just throw it. Yeah, sorry it's not centered, but there's not really that much I can do about centering it right there. But yeah, you now have now you can clearly see why you need to like do that. Did I have anything else in the chat? I love my fucking setup. It's so fucking modular. Have I forgotten? No, I have. I've not forgotten to do that. But yeah, literally, my fucking setup is so fucking modular here, and I'm just wasting time because I don't want to do this. Alright, let me just get on with it. Fuck. Oh. I think this is the first time I've fucking been this tired. Okay. So we also need a character pointer called char buffer. Now we need to display the page, which that means we need to calculate the index. Let's actually make a macro, I think. Should I make a macro on that? I should probably make a macro on that. Now the way that we got that was by saying the way that we got the index into there was by saying and cursor x plus cursor y times size x all this enclosed into there, plus print start, page down times 80 plus 21 times there. I am actually more impressed that I actually could remember how to make a macro. I am actually more impressed that I could remember how to make a macro than anything else. And why the fuck is that one? Oh! That could be fun. And again, I forgot how to... I don't wanna... No. Okay, no. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Header C and... header C++, which is CPP. And now we also want to... we want to make these as... I think we want to make them as dependencies here. Dependence on that. I remember shit. I actually could not remember how to do that, but so that's good. Index, yes. Index int equals to get the fucking index. And this should just make this calculation for me. So that I don't need to remember this fucking expression all the motherfucking time. Now what we need to do is that we need to set the cursor to here, format the living shit out of this, then we need to then we need to make a define size. Bro, I thought my keys were getting stuck, so I cleared my keyboard. That's an introduction. Turns out all I need was Russian text, slam it. That's also a fucking way to introduce yourself, I guess. Bro, I thought my keys were getting stuck. But yeah, hello again. Sorry. Hey, a help message. Couldn't write cream. No shit, Sherlock. No shit, Sherlock, you can't. My dude. No shit, you can't write those fucking words. Yes, you can swear, but you can't fucking write dick or apple pie. What do you mean? I've just gotten a fucking... That is what I mean. Of course you fucking can't write those two things. You can see what I wrote, so it's fine. Yep. Oh, for fuck's sake. What was it? Yeah, I was about to say size of page. Oh, no, it's such a... What the fuck was I just saying? That is... The size of a page is this. Can I calculate that? Because I don't want to pull up the fucking calculator. I can. Yes. Yeah, and hopefully fucking OBS doesn't... my Wi-Fi doesn't fuck up all of a sudden. There are two wolves inside of you. I would more like... If I should like use if I should say if there's two forms of animals inside of me, I would say maybe there's three. One is gay, the other one is gay. You're gay. Okay, I will allow that. I will allow that. Because that's something that I would have wrote. And yes, that is the only thing that goes into this. That's actually... that's a good one, actually. What? What is a good one? The Joker meme. Regret. And all. Oh, okay. I'm too fucking tired to figure this out. Holy shit, I'm fucking tired. Kids, if you fucking want to go to bed at 3 a.m., don't. The advice for the day. Want to go to bed in the... How far did you get editing the editor? Oh yeah, right, yeah. I actually got... I need to fix this code real quick. Just give me a minute real quick, okay? Isn't it just like, you know, like just this and say index plus I here for page and size right there. Yeah, I woke up at 7. You woke up at 7. I went to sleep at 6. Or something like that. Because there was a fucking party right outside my fucking front door. I hate it. What are you now fucking complaining about? What? It's because that you don't have a fucking size? No fucking way! Okay, so now I just need to... can I get a start symbol real quick? Where I just initialize everything. Malak. And what the fuck did... My downstairs neighbors with 2 chihuahuas? And 1 a... Oh. Oh, that is horrible. Now, what was the fucking size of this things? Now I actually need to... Oh, right, yeah, it was 16 kilobytes. Times 16, right there. And... the symbols for there and there has not been declared. Wait, so isn't this like... No, okay. Wait, what? Oh. That's also going to be... Why is it 16 kilobytes? Arbitrary number. Literally just an arbitrary number. I just... Literally nearly, like, just... Okay. It's because the compiler I'm using, OpenWatcom, you can only have a 64 kilobyte array. So I just simply decided, do you know what? Let's just simply like divide that by 6 and then take a 16 kilobytes array, because that should also be enough for a program, I guess. And if it isn't, too bad for you. Too bad for you. Get good. Undefined fucking symbol. Oh. Makes sense. Welcome to my thought process. Divided by 4. Literally, that is my thought process divided by 4. Just divide it all by 4. And now we can really quick do stuff. Stars. I'm not thinking about M's. Now, can we do character buffer here? And just simply say, fuck off with you. What are you? Why do you name it M underscore variable? It just looks more clean, I guess. Like, and also, by doing M underscore, I am saying that it is a member of this thing here, of this header file those two can now go. Yeah, I only do it if I declare it up here. You could be a local variable. I am just seeing all my fucking mistakes right here. You two could also just be a local variable. Why C? Because in C# I don't need it. And also I can't be bothered doing in C#. Like, with my code, you either have to figure it out yourself, because I don't write comments. So, like, yeah, what was I just about to say? Fuck. I always thought that style is. I'll do well, to be honest, yes. Fuck. Fuck! Okay, did it actually work? Please say that the first thing I say is fuck. Yes! I said fuck when it disconnected, I said fuck when it reconnected. Yes! I am happy. The fuck switch. Yep. Literally, it is the fuck switch. Yeah. Sadly, I need to limit the amount of say fuck, else it will be disconnected. Or something. Okay. 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 Now I need to figure out how to write a one singular line. Right line, right there. In a page. And what line? That line. That line, not in the Y line. As I was saying, I only write comments when I look up answers from the internet and put the. I really quickly need to show you something. All right. So like, I've just made this code public, right? I want you. I literally want you to go onto my fucking GitHub, look through any of these, like any of these things here, and see if you can find a comment saying what a line does. For example, in this file here, that is over 1,000 lines long. Figure out if you can find a fucking comment. Oh, hey, struct. A deleted comment. A deleted fucking line. A deleted. In an emulator! No, this is an assembler. This is only an assembler. Don't worry. The emulator is not done yet. Don't worry. Check segment. Oh, okay. It isn't. It is not done. Yes. And also this is the assembler, not the emulator. But yeah, this is the only comment that is not a Ah, yes, check segment. Yup. That is the only comment. There's not a line of code. Checkmate. And yes, I can also... Fuck no, I don't want to save it. I don't want to save my own code. Well, we can also... try to do the... Oh, right, yeah, there's also no... You know JS Brain? Brian? No, I don't think so. JS... Caps Lock, I love it. Who the fuck is this dude? Brian just the JS. No. Okay. It's a meme. Oh. Uh, what? Just send a fun link into chat and then I can just open it from there, please. Just do that. Because I can't do this. Just send a fun link into chat. Hold on. We are all holding on. Don't worry. We are all holding on. Everyone, hold on. He is sending a link. He's doing something illegal that he has that I've said he can do. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hold on. He's doing something illegal that I've said that he can't do. Hold on, everyone. Hold on. Hold on. And all people around him was waiting for him to do the action of sending the link into chat. We are all waiting patiently for him to write stuff into the chat. We are all waiting patiently for it. What is he going to write? What is he going to do? All questions will be answered in a few short moments. Yeah, so wait, what? Wait, what was that link? Funny. Yeah, very funny. Very funny. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? Is there actually someone who is finally like complimenting on my fucking comedy? Yes. Yes, I'm waiting for. Oh god, yes. I need to really quickly log into Twitch, so yay, two-factor. The thing that I hate the most because I need to like do like I need to log in like 5 times a day. Yep, we are all waiting patiently for me to like really quickly get into like my authenticator app and write in a code that is definitely randomized, not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course not. It could actually be funny if it actually was fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Goshi. It could actually have been fucked up. My password is lol 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Holy shit! You sent out your password. Oh no! Wow, okay. Thank you, Twitch. I know I'm live. Thank you very much, Twitch, for saying that I'm live. This is probably just even going to fuck up my baud rate, but fuck it. We're doing it. Can't you just... Welcome back, Bjorn! Yay! But yeah, welcome to what I'm seeing. Nothing. Is this actually killing my baud rate? No, actually not. Oh! Oh, fuck yes, we have parallaxing. We have parallaxation. Oh. Everyone, look at the parallaxation. What the thing? I need to fucking get my mask. Give me a minute. I need my mask and fucking sunglasses. Where the fuck is my sunglasses? Yeah, where the fuck is actually my sunglasses? I know my mask is over there. Fuck it, we're taking those sunglasses. I just need to fuck my other glasses. That sounded wrong. Can I send it? Yes, I just need to... Wait a minute. Right, yes, webcam security. I totally forgot that I actually had it. Yeah, you can send it, don't worry. My ADHD brain just needs to do something. Okay, I just need to now copy myself like 500 times. All right, yeah, I forgot to have that. Okay. Not that. Oh shit, I have fucking oxid on these. Yes! No way! It's fucking working! Take a look at that! Take a look at it! Holy shit! Let me actually just delete some of this fucking camera so I also get my fucking camera security up again. Shit. Just like that. Oh shit. Okay, I'm real quick going to go into my fucking into my auto mod real quick. Give me a minute. What the fuck did I do that? Moderation, right there. Let me see. Why is the links? Why the fuck could I do something with links? Block hyperlinks, maybe? I think it was block hyperlinks. Try now, I guess. Try to see if you get fucking banned or something. I will promise you will not get banned. Don't worry. If you will get banned, I will try to fucking take... Yes! Oh, fuck, shit, nope. And let me turn this on again because I don't want to have anything fucking... let's see, but now I'm going to be the normal fucking reaction YouTuber. The normal ass reaction fucking dude that just is here just because. And actually, to make it even more like reaction YouTubers, we're even also going to go over to not my green screen. Which scene was that? It was this scene, I think. Yeah, I can't remember my fucking scenes, okay? We're going to add a display. Whoa. Fuck. Whoa. Okay. Okay, like any other fucking reaction YouTuber, we are now going to. We are now. Okay, I need to fucking flip my camera, else this ain't going to work. How did I do that? I did that by doing that, and then I need to do something like this. Great, just like this. Now we are now I am a reaction. Now I am a reaction streamer. Woo! Okay, now we are of course a reaction streamer. So let's see.
All right, good. You guys know what WAT means?
No.
WAT. Exactly.
I I don't hope that this is fucking. Wait, what? But yeah, this what I'm dealing with right now. Thanks, IEEE float. Don't you know how fucking IEEE float works? If I remember correctly, it is IEEE 374. You can see how much I've searched about this, right? You can see how much I have fucking searched up about this, right? I know a lot about that. Alright, what?
Let's talk about Ruby.
Yeah, Ruby.
In Ruby, if you reference an undefined variable, of course it name errors, as you would expect. And if you
Fuck
try
you,
to
Ruby.
assign B to A with them undefined, of course it name errors, as you would expect.
Yeah,
And what
of
happens
course.
if you try to assign A to A with A undefined? Correct. Nil. WAT.
What? Okay.
Let's talk about Ruby.
Okay.
Ruby, unlike some other dynamic languages, does not have bare words, so you cannot just type words in and have strings come out.
Okay,
Unless you define a particular method missing that does the right thing. And then if you type bare words, suddenly Ruby supports bare words. And in fact, it will even support bare words with bangs in them. And this is not deserving of WAT. This is actually a result of how awesome Ruby is.
No.
But if you ever actually do this, then WAT.
What? Yes.
Let's talk about JavaScript.
The language everyone hates.
Does anyone know in JavaScript what array plus array is? Well, let me ask you this first. What should array plus array be?
Array square.
Empty array, I would.
Okay, wait. Array plus array is equals to array squared. Says math, but programming says either what or fuck off, I'm gonna crash. AKA null.
Also accept type error. That is not what array plus array is. Wrong. Wrong. Array plus array is empty string.
What?
Obviously, I think that's obvious to everyone.
Okay.
Now, what would array plus object be? This should obviously be type error because those are completely disparate types. Does anyone know what this is?
Empty string, I guess?
No. Close.
Okay. What? Fuck. Okay, the fuck switch worked again. Okay, let's watch.
And finally,
Okay.
the only one of these that's actually true is, because, you add arrays, you get empty string, that doesn't make sense. But
We're
an
back.
object plus an object is actually not a number, technically. So this one's actually right. And
okay, yeah.
exactly, right? Like, what is even going on in this lab? I don't even understand what person with a brain in their head would think that any of this is a good idea.
JavaScript developers. Okay. Hear me out. I need to fucking move my my camera to over here, not the fucking display. Okay. I need to move my camera. Right now. Okay. So. Okay. I think that I know it, right? Is that the people that the most fucked up, and now I'm gonna do a fucking 4, right? My mouse is enabled. I'm gonna do a fucking 4. And I should not do fucking paint because I can't figure out how to do paint. But yeah. JavaScript developers. They are the most and evil beasts here on the planet. Right? And so what this is a prime example on why JavaScript developers are bad. That is a prime example, right? Because an object plus an object is of course not a number. Which is of course also true. But what? Yeah?
Okay. Enough making fun of languages that suck. Let's talk about JavaScript. If I say array.new 16, or just array 16, I get an array of 16 things, which it represents as 16 commas, which is obvious.
Yeah, of course.
And if I then join those with a string, then I get the string 16 times. This is actually the only line in this entire presentation that's reasonable.
Yeah, that's
now,
correct.
if I take that string and then add a 1 to it,
You also can't compare nan for equal. You have to use is not. Fucking helvede.
it interprets the 1 as, or casts the 1 to a string, and then
Okay,
we get
yeah.
wat1 a bunch of times. Fine. Does anyone know what will happen if I subtract 1 from the string? I'm assuming no one does. I'll give you a hint.
Not a number?
Does this help? Does anyone know?
What? What? I actually fucking got that. I said not a number. Yes.
Wet man.
What man? Yes.
That's all I got. Thank you, guys.
That is wet. Yes. Now I'm fucking beginning to fucking get too hot on this mask. Oh. And now the show will go back to the normal and great. And now the show will resume of people bashing their keyboards against the wall because C++ and C is too fucking hard. But not as fucking hard as fucking object plus object equals 9 and object plus array equals 0. Back to your regular schedule C programming. Yes. A piece of modern art. Like, that is so like, I think fucking like whoever fucking created the human race went down here and then said, "Ah, what a peaceful place." And then they fucking looked at over at fucking JavaScript developers. I think they would fucking like kill us. If you're fucked up somehow in your math function, you are so screwed, cause you. Yeah, like I have okay in this project, right? I'm also making a language in I'm also making a language using why can't I do this? Please work. Work. Okay, anyways, I'm also making a language, right? Right here in JavaScript. But I'm no longer making this in JavaScript because I was getting too tired of all the typing. So I went over to fucking TypeScript instead. And this isn't even the full project. Like, where is actually the... Oh, there. BE assembly. BE assembly. Right here. This... Okay, so... No, wait. Is this actually the thing? No, wait. This isn't even the thing. Fuck. Can I even... Can I find it or what? Or is it just this so long ago? No, it's not that long ago. Oh, right, yeah. I forgot to fucking push it. Oh, right, yeah. Huh? Imagine not remembering to push things. Okay, so I will then have to do this and flex on all my fucking bad code and bad decisions. Welcome, I guess. Okay, so this project here, right? I had to make this into like I had to rewrite everything into like into TypeScript because JavaScript was beginning to get too fucking complicated. Right? I had to go to fucking TypeScript because of this. And I absolutely love TypeScript. Because you can actually have fucking types. And not just yeah, this I think this is a type. I think that it is that type. Yeah, I think also I think this number variable here is a number type, but it could also be a string. Like interfaces, let's go. Wait, what? Where the fuck do you see interfaces? Wait, what? Oh right, yeah, maybe I also should like push this. Okay. Anyone who's a fucking developer knows what the pain, what this is a pain of, right? Right? Just give it like 500 milliseconds right here. What the hell should I write? Done. That is my that is my commit fucking message. Anyone has a problem with that? You may write it in the chat and get banned. Done shit. And more. Look it up if look the thing is look at it if you need to see what I have done. Just like that, okay? Anyone has a problem with that? I will take that as a no. I'll take that as a no. Great. No one has a problem with it? Okay, great. Like, am I the only one who just forgets to actually push sometimes up to GitHub? Like, am I the only one who forgets to do that sometimes? Because I can't be the only one who can like be that. Who can be like who just forgets to do that. Oh, and also now I procrastinate to push. I don't know if you've seen it, but yeah, I pushed right there and just waited like 2 weeks, and then then I pushed like 2 times right there. Yeah, okay. Then I waited like 1 month, and then I pushed again 7 times, and then I waited 2 months, and then I pushed. And it was even worse in fucking 2023. Similar to me. Like, I don't know how people can like push every single fucking day. Oh, I actually had a pretty good streak right there. For 3 days. Oh, holy shit! I had... Fuck toggle. Fuck. Yeah, OBS doesn't like us. OBS doesn't like when I talk about GitHub. We need to be silent about it. But yeah, but yeah, what was it? Yeah. Okay. Back to your back to the regular scheduled C programming. Does C programming. And I actually need to get my fucking keyboard out of my fucking thing here and just... I actually also have another keyboard. Not mechanical. Like, how many programmers actually use fucking mechanical keyboards? I just think they fucking like are too loud for daily driving. Like, am I the only one who thinks like mechanical keyboards are too fucking loud? Or what? You can you can put foam on the... Yeah, but that also fucking costs money, and I'm fucking a cheap ass. If you haven't even seen that. Like, I'm such a fucking cheap ass that, like, I am actually waiting for fucking PC Pass to go on discount, because I don't want to just pay the extra like $10. Like, I don't want to like pay for the extra 3 Danish crowns or something like that. My RAM is Everring and I need to buy Okay, my old working PC that I actually have right here beside me. Okay, right? Would you anyone would like to guess how old it may be? My old working computer, right? Anyone would like to guess? 12, not even fucking close. Because this, right? And I'm also going to fucking open up the camera again. So I need to get off my glasses and all of the other glasses. Right? Yeah, just give me a moment. Give me... actually, that was close. That was very close. Right? Do you all want to see what the motherfucking GPU was? This was the GPU that was in my working computer. This is a 7... Wait, what? Not close, but it is a 760. An RTX 760. I think actually, to be more exact. Oh, it's made in China. Yeah. Still on an... It can run Minecraft, yes. At like 5 frames per second. But yeah, like literally, like that is what I ran with for my working PC for 5 years, I think. G integrated, the GPU is probably better. It is not probably better. The thing is, I really quickly need to... What the fuck is that CPU? Let me just check it out. What? Yeah, it is better. The GTX 760 Ti beat that. September 27th, 2013. It's over 11 years old. And the CPU is older than the GPU. How does the specs actually look like? Okay. Actually quite good. What about specs from here? Or does or has Nvidia like just said fuck to that? Fuck to that? Yeah, here we have it. Base clock, okay, very good. Yes, 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 yeah. Oh. 4.6 OpenGL, and what fucking version OpenGL? What job OpenGL version do we have now? We have OpenGL. What was there? 4.6. Oh! It's still getting fucking drivers. Oh, I actually thought that was built. That was so. Compared with the that one. Okay, let me see. 8. That's the wrong one. I think you win this one in the worst performing in the worst performance. I think. Congratulations, you have just here's the variable system memory. Holy shit. Congratulations, you have just fucking won it. Won the the tournament of having the worst the better in the memory and better in the and better GPU. Yeah. Congratulations. You won. And who is trying to fucking message me? Oh my I need to fucking delete that Discord server. Just give me a moment, real quick. I need to fucking delete Discord server because I am fucking getting. I have too many fucking Discord servers. I'm not even using them. But actually, I need to fucking get some work done before I fully fucking get. Did this work? Did work? Now I need to say. I need to say what is on my mind. Right there. And now we can also do a macro here called get index. Yes. And we have some motherfucking errors. Display line. Oh, right, yeah, I need to also like say what kind of page it is. M_page. And then the Y is cursor Y. Right there. Run and please don't fuck up. It fucked up. Why is everyone out to get me? So like, okay, so it's because everything is like fucking up or what? Oh, I'm saying fucking cursor +1 and +2 when I should say like. Fuck. And I forgot to fucking save it. Alright, we are still fucking up. kids, this is why you don't fuck. This is why you don't do stuff that like will fuck your things up. Actually, 2 seconds. We could do one of these. Okay, so I don't know why it fucks up. So yeah, right there, there. It's because I'm already making a like offset already. Oh, that's because I'm forgetting to actually set the actual cursor position. Holy shit, Bjorn! Why do you fucking forget how to? Why the fuck do you forget the? I can't figure out how to fucking speak. Okay. Set text position. I think it was. Isn't it set text? What did I walk in on here? Yeah, I don't know. Me fucking around or something? I don't know. Actually, I don't actually know. But if you are traumatized, please call this number that is right now invisible for you because I don't want to leak my fucking phone number. You good or you just had a stroke? Yeah, I have a stroke of fucking C. Plus plus. I fucking hate that language. But yeah, I am good, don't worry. Alright. That works. What the fuck, Rich? What the fuck? You don't need to fucking write all that to fucking to dude with the sexy. Just I hate that. There's something that I love about words. What? I just fucking. It was because okay. It's because I'm trying. I just tried to say dyslexia. Yep. Which I think it's kind of fun that that people decided to like make it the hardest word to even say. And also write. Don't get offended, but I had. No, I haven't. Don't worry. But I have not drinking anything. Don't worry, not yet. So I am going to a fucking party. Where the fuck was that there? At my friends. So I am going to be fucking drinking, but I'm not going to be drinking on stream. I will never be fucking doing that. Oh, yeah. Okay, fair warning. My personality is fucked. So, Oh, yeah. So you know it's whatever, but yeah, okay, fine. But yeah, my personality is fucked up, so don't worry. And especially when I'm on camera. Fuck. The fuck switch always works. Just wait on it, wait on it. Right there. Great. The fuck switch always works. This doesn't fucking... What? Why? Excuse me, this fuck switch? Okay. Okay. At the start of stream here, the stream crashed, right? Right as I said fuck, right? And so now it is called the fuck switch. Whenever the... I think there's too much lore here. I don't know. You'll get used to it, I think. If you can understand the FNAF lore, then you also can understand this. Or just halfway understand the FNAF lore, I guess. Now, then I also think you can understand this. Just a feeling. Now, why the fuck did I do this? Okay, I should probably make this one into X, Y, and then X. How cooked am I? I have no clue about the FNAF lore. How cooked am I? I think you will get used to it. Why the fuck won't this? I don't think you're too cooked, dude, my dude. A little cooked, maybe yes, but you're not too cooked. I didn't think that those words would go out of my mouth anytime before. It. Okay, I should probably make this one actually also use all the variables here. M underscore cursor Y. All right. Oh, start. What the fuck was that? What the fuck? Wait, what? Oh. It's so over for me. What? What is even going on? I have going on here. You're making an application where you can type and exit it or quit. Are you making a console? In more layman terms, yes. Oh, I'm not making a console, I am making a text editor in a console. Or at least trying. Oh, fuck. I am making a text editor in a console. I'm not making a console, I'm making a text editor in a console. Well, okay. MSCV. Oh, what the fuck was that now again? I can't ever remember what the fuck was MSC is. No. Yes, I had to search that up. No, this is not the Microsoft Visual C. This is just raw C plus C. I'm not making a raw C pretty much. I am making a program. If you know, do you know the operating system DOS or DOSBox or any of this? Any of this right here. From the name, yeah. Okay, this is one of the earlier operating systems, which I am right now trying to make. Does it have its own C compiler or what? No. DOS doesn't have a C compiler. But I'm making an application outside of Windows. Oh yeah, Windows as I'm running here. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, that's of course. Because the cursor just changed, so we should actually make this into a sit text position instead of that, so that we don't change the cursor position. Those places right there, check. This one is also good enough. Except for that, we actually don't want to change it right there. Here we also want to change it, yes, and actually. Let me just change all this back. Right now. And So we're setting him here. We're already setting him to 0, 0 here. Yeah, aren't we already setting them all everywhere? Right there. Yes, okay. Command quit. Okay. I think the way C is intended is that it have one file that contains everything and has like 1,000 lines instead of multiple files. The way that C works is that you have mainly, most commonly in all projects, you have a main C file that I've called main.c, and then you have, for example, these header files here that end with .h. For example, types.h here, that just defines some things. But where it is different is, for example, with input.h, for example, this one. Yes, I am defining something, but in the input.c file here, I am actually making it a function, making a function, making the function actually do something and not just declaring it as I'm doing here, which then all can be included into here. Yeah, this standard of C, this version of C doesn't have a standard. I think, yeah, this standard of C doesn't have a standard, so to speak. Because this version of C is 64 bits, not 64, sorry, 16 bits C. So I'm not using any kind of like, it's gonna have some sort of name. Again, I am running a 16-bit C, as can be seen. Actually, it was dash version. Yeah, okay. Right here. Actually, this is 32 bits. Oh, sorry. But I'm using this compiler as a 16-bit compiler for C, and let me really quick check. There actually is a version thing here. Nope, there isn't. So either way, I could not use like a version of C. You need to remember that the nameless C. Damn. Yep. This compiler here, right? Was created back in 1984. This compiler right here was created in 1984. So yeah. I don't, like, you don't really, like, for example, just with no. It says C flags. Really? Oh. Wait, what? Really? Oh, yeah, there. Yep. I have the options of C86 or 99. I don't have access to what is actually the newest C version. C. I fucked that up really good. Oh fuck! Oh, it's not in there. But I don't. See, I'm not an idiot. C23. Yeah, I don't have access to C23. If I try to do C23 here, for example, and type in make, I don't think I can. Nope. I think the compiler just crashed. Actually, why not? Yeah, now we're waiting. So I don't think you are able to do, for example, C23 here. Base compiler just gives no response on illegal. That was how it was back in 1891, the 1980s. Okay, give us a slack. Back then, programs like you didn't need to give like those forms of things. Let me actually just pull up the. Give me a minute. I'm really going to pull up the a document right here. Yeah. Page 29. Is this the one? Nope. Um. Um. Was it like that or what? You gotta love it. Yeah, you're right. Error messages are blunt. Yeah. But yeah. Here in the official documentation here of the compiler I'm using, it says this option helps to ensure that the module to compile conforms to the selected ISO slash well, that programming language standard. And here we can see these are the only two. Here are the only two C standards that I have, and C++ standards for that matter too. So I don't. I need to like manually define everything. So yeah. What fuck was it using beforehand? Was that 99? Yeah, I think it was 99. Why am I using 0x? Why am I not using 0x right there? So if I could break that, yeah, it was 99. Okay. Then I should probably use 98, I think. Shouldn't I use 98? I should use 99, yeah. Yep. Okay, so yeah, now it is working once again. Right now. So yeah, you back in 1980s, you didn't really have a standard, to say the least. Yes, you had two standards with minimal differences. So yes, that's why I need to define a type boolean here myself, and why the int is standard int here doesn't define it for me. I think maybe in C++, but I'm not sure about that. Ah, yes, good old times in the 80s when I was negative 20 years old. Yeah, how much negative would I have been? How old am I actually? How fucking old? You're right, yeah, I'm 18, yeah, fuck. So that was from 2006 minus 1985. I was negative 21 years old. So yeah, I was negative 21 years old in 1985. And yes, I do forget what my fucking age is. That's why the Danish government needs to give me a card where my age literally is on. Yes. Bro, the fuck switch is kind of. Yeah, I know. The switch isn't actually that great. It's kind of unreliable, but it's maybe also because there's some fucking people who goes around and like plays like says they're technicians. Here my dorm or something. I don't know. Actually, I don't actually know why the fuck the internet just cuts out sometimes. If I had an answer, I would tell you, but I don't have an answer. Like I don't like. I think you would. I think. Please define what you mean by like. What do you mean by like Denmark is weird? Because as a Dane, I don't see anything like wrong with Denmark right now. So, please give an argument, or please state what the fuck you mean by weird. Fuck man, that could have been fun. I could have fucking just doxed myself right there. I love OneDrive. I love OneDrive when it can fucking dox me. Oh fuck. Danish citizens don't have knowledge of their age at and act drunk even though that they are not. Okay. Okay, yes, we know that Danish citizens know their age. Don't worry, it's just me who's forgetful. Sometimes. And yes, we do act drunk. I do act drunk, but that's because of the character I have. In stream jamming technology in every college. Well, technically, I am in high school, so no college here. What the fuck is this one? Page is not 0. You're in a dorm in high school? Damn. If you would like to be more specific, it's technically a boarding school that I am on, connected to a high school. So, but I'm just calling it dorm because that's easier to say than boarding school all the time. But yeah, it is technically a boarding school, more than a dorm. But yeah, it's just easier to say dorm than boarding school. This is how you sound now. Actually. Well, actually. I know. If I could, if I could, I would right now fucking turn on my camera and what? No. I'm not fucking saying that. I'm not fucking going into the trap of Gen Z. And yes, I know I am fucking Gen Z myself, but I don't want to fucking. I hate the fucking Gen Z slang. If anything, I fucking hate it. So yeah, I am not fucking saying that. Command save. File can't open. What the fuck just? Yeah, being mentally 50 is chill. Yup. Okay, wait, 2 seconds. What the fuck was that? I need to really quickly split this one. Save. Error. Exit error illegal. Survive. Wait, what the? I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm only half a year older than you, but I have way more life experience. you you say that you have more life experience. Okay. I want to say something from my personal life, and I'm not saying this again, ever maybe. I have 4 years of work experience. I have 2 years of 2 years more than sorry, not more. I have 2 years of freelancing experience. And I also have enough money to in my bank to get to pretty much get myself a dorm and get myself a and get a job and still wait 2 months. So yeah, half a year more than you. But yeah, I don't think. Of course, you can be very very correct. No, I'm not doing this as a flex, or at least I'm not trying to do this as flex. Maybe I should have said that in the start, but yeah, I'm not trying to say this as a flex. I'm just giving us my side of the argument, and you can now give your side of the argument on why you maybe think that you have more life experience. Yeah, okay. I think you win there. I can't even get into the army. I shit you not. Actually, I got a message written to me through mail saying that yeah, due to your medical record, you are not you just can't be in the army. So yeah, get the fuck away from us. Of course, they didn't write that to me, but yeah, pretty much like that. So yeah, I can't join the army. No, don't worry. It's just ADD. I have ADD, so I can't be in the fucking army. It is just quotation signs. ADD. So yeah, don't worry. Not too serious. I need to fucking get flashbang by this fucking website again. So how does paths work? Drive the file name extension. Full path is c.com. Okay, so I need to say, okay, yeah, so this is that. Then I probably should also do slash does program slash file.txt, I think. But don't worry, I don't have anything too serious at least. And if I had, then I probably wouldn't say it here, to be honest. Command save. At least it doesn't fucking give me an error this time. Can't open file. Well, you know, you never know if people. But what? Some people last wish might to become. Yeah, that is true. I'm mainly just doing this as a side project, so no dreams from here. I'm just doing this as a side project, and also just so I can actually make. So I should do something. So yeah. It's not 0. What have I written here? Yeah, it's not 0. Character buffer arc v and int arc c. Can I use these things? Maybe not here, but I can probably use those here. C does program text file.txt. Oh, read only. Like what the fuck is happening? What about oh, it's because maybe this is does. Maybe instead of doing that, I should probably do this and just say try again. Okay, command save. File creation failed at C does program. C does program. Oh, okay, so it already is there. That's good. Try again is a good approach in case of a. Yeah, it is. I like. That's pretty much also always my my thinking process in life. Just try again. There was no file. File is there. File done with 2 bytes. Okay. And we have a bug. And okay, so we can't. So I need to do that. What if I? Oh yeah, so we need to do that. Command save. Command quit. Exit. Actually, let's quickly type the file, the text, te. And what does it say in here? te. Yeah. Okay. Fuck. Maybe instead of, yeah, we are already loading it up with spaces. Doesn't does have a built-in debugger? Maybe you no, it doesn't. Wow, doesn't. Wow. No, doesn't have a built-in debugger. The way that you can get a debugger is by using, for example, a program like Borland. That makes that actually where you actually can have a debugger, where you actually have a debugger in DOS, yes, but else you can't. You need to use an external what's it called, program to debug code in DOS. Think like if you need to like run it to parallel or something like that. Think of this as programming for a microcomputer, maybe, or more modern example, maybe a code editor that doesn't have fucking, wait, what? In Wikipedia it says that it has a program called debug or debug.exe. Way. No, wait, I don't want to go back. I want to get all the viruses. Debug commands right here. Assemble, compare, dump, enter, fill, go to, hex, input, load, move, name, output, process, quit, register, search, trace, unassemble, write. Oh, that's using Windows. Isn't that using Windows? Yeah, it is using Windows. Which, if I even should get a Windows copy, I should probably get it using CD-ROM. Is there actually a since? Um. The tools. So, what you're saying? Wait, let me. Wait. Where on Wikipedia here? Well, in English, one doesn't actually say that, but in German. Oh, well, time to get my German freshen up. Oh, thank you. I actually also need to get my German get my German, what's it called? Just given up a little bit. Why did you say you found that about? I am really quickly going to enable hyperlinks. Yeah, you can send it again. Okay. Oh, da. Eins, die das einen free one here. Maybe on the maybe on the set, maybe. Is there something called debug here? Nope. I don't think. Is your Dust version below? Nope, it is not. This is give me a minute real quick. How the fuck did you... Yeah. Dust version 5.00. Right down. Oh, that is actually kind of a helpful thing. How strange. Why do I right now just think of like 2 seconds? Can it maybe be because it's under 3 dots maybe? Because 3 dots is something else than DOSBox. Let me just try to install fucking 3 dots. There. 3 dots is for everyone, for real hardware. Floppy disk edition. Install live CD. We all love getting into, yeah. Let me see. So download the free DOS distribution. This contains a bunch of great new features and improves, including new DOS.com, a new kernel.
So hello world to you.
Thank you for following.
Someone is now following.
Thank you for following. A version with FAT32 support for disk edition requirement. What was that? I don't even wanna try to say that name, but okay. MD sub is Ubuntu. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, thank you for the follow. Okay, here we have it. Read me. Let me see. What do we have here? Hmm. Do I now need to maybe... I think I need to plug this into a VM. Which I actually already have a VM QEMU. Don't I? Yeah, I do. System x86-64 dash help, I think. Isn't there a command for that? Nope. Wait, can we just maybe then say um QEMU? How the fuck did you do something in QEMU? I found a blog post that lets you enable the debugger in DOSBox. Okay. And now I have now gone down too big of a rabbit hole to even try that right now. Um Bro is committed. Yes, I am. So we need to have machine type CPU. But yeah, I am right now fucking committed. Wasn't it like that? So two things. I'm looking into a different repo now to try to see if I can. It's because I'm trying to use the wrong thing. It is this one I need. I need FDA. And then the FD this one. Why won't you work? Okay, try to send me that blog that you found. Fuck it, I will try and see if it fucking works, because scroll down a bit to... I hope that this isn't in German. Right, thank you. In older debug keys, some other things, a whole bunch of things. Seeing a debug point. Okay. What the hell is this? This is something else. Okay. This thing is okay. Yeah, I think it's up here. Maybe activating the. Just press Alt pause key. So Alt pause. Because I need to have this one here. To pause the execution and start up the debugger, press Alt. Separate window. Nope. There's no separate window that's opening. DOSBox just stops. F1. Alt F1, I think. No, wait, it was there. So oh yeah, now everything is fucked. Two things. So if I okay, here maybe. So to get a debug version, add the switch when calling config. Config slash there. Options, nope. We have a um hmm. CD-ROM, some other thing. Mouse. Sound, ad-lib, sound, keyboard. Is there something with debugging? Nope. Command line parameters, right here. Do maybe then need to like do that there. Yeah, maybe actually. So if I do go under here, find my run here, and let's say and if I say dash config, and let's say dash dash there, do we now have debug? Now if I then say alt pause, um, that was not that one I wanted to move upon. It was um hmm. The debug the command. I think you might be correct. Actually, scratch that. I think you're correct. Now, is that there is at least a what's it called? A debug command, at least. You're correct on that, at least. Does bug Nope, I have not muted anything. I just fucking my microphone disconnected shit. Okay, let me actually just really quick collapse this one. Configure. Don't you have that? There. You have that one. I am configure right there. Where? Yes, 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 yes. Fuck. Like it was just him like yes, 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 fuck. Okay, so we need to I need to get myself fucking an old ass version of fucking I need to get myself an old version of SDL. Fuck that, I can't be bothered. Well, according to other blog posts, it is a different version of DOS altogether. Firstly, to even see the screen in DOSBox, you need to install a very specific debug version. If it you can download it from this page if you already have DOSBox installed. You only need to download the exe file and add it to the folder in your folder where you. Not gonna lie, DOSBox is kinda ass for me. Yeah, I can't be bothered doing this anymore. I'm already fucking tired. I need to go to a party soon, so I think I'm gonna end here after 2.5 hours. Holy shit. I'm fucking tired now. But yeah, yeah. But yeah, anyways, everyone, thank you so much for fucking watching this stream. May you all have fantastic rest of your day, and yeah, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Yeah, good night. Yeah, I don't know. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.